Hey everybody, Jim King, Piers Team. We're out here in Weston, Missouri. We did a house about, 2 years ago up the street here, a historic home, and we're kind of getting known around the Midwest here about these stone foundations, so they call us. So we're out here again on this little home. It's a crawl space. It's a stone crawl space about, probably 2 or 3 foot tall. Here on the back, we're digging this down. We got our mini excavator out here. We're going to dig this out. We're going to have an 8-foot by 21-foot basement. We're going to have 4 walls, 2 of them at the ends will be 8 foot, 7 foot tall, 8 foot long, 7 foot tall, and 20 foot long, 21 feet long at 7 foot tall, with a footing 2 foot wide by 1 foot thick, with number 4 rebar running through it. We'll pour the footing first, and then come in and set our forms and pour the walls back. So we've also got some piers that are going around this house. We got about 4 going on each side. We're going to squeeze that stone. What's happened over the years is the stone is not mortared together. The stone is not sitting on any footing. The stone is just sitting on the soil. Whatever soil you're putting the house on, that's it. And here it's just really rich black topsoil. There is some clay in it, but it's just, over the years, that stone, you have drought after drought, that stone kind of separates at the bottom, and at the top of the stone is your sill plate and your floor joists, and when the bottom stone starts to sink, that floor joist will start to sink with it, causes cracks in the wall and the ceilings. Windows won't open, doors don't open and shut properly. So that's when you need a piering contractor. So people are calling us King Piers. We are, like I said, on day 3 out here. We're gonna cut all these roots off. They're just getting the hole dug. Normally we hand dig, but this was just way too much to hand dig. So no utilities obstructing us, and like I said, stay tuned for more videos coming right along. We'll let's walk around the house here and see what holes we got dug. We're going to have 4 piers going along here. Pulling out a lot of rock. Pretty shallow holes to get to the bottom row of stone. We'll get our system in there. We'll get our laser levels up on the inside, and when we start get all the holes dug and our system set in them holes, we'll raise this house to where it's level, and then we'll have to go on the inside and see what that does after we raise this up, what the floors do in the center of the house. So stay tuned. This is a pretty big project for such a small home. We're going to be here a few weeks, so stay tuned. Appreciate you watching our videos. You can check us out on our Facebook channel page, King Piers LLC. Our YouTube channel is, we love the YouTube channel. We get a lot of calls from people watching our videos. When you go there, please subscribe. You can always give us a call at 816-288-4373. You can always call us at 816-521-8915. You can talk to me or my son. Thank you.